Day 3, dumpster's filling up. Anyway, walking in. Tile's gone. Mess is cleaned up, more or less, air quotes there. Here's the kitchen area. So demoed, left the counters in there. I'm not quite sure, I think he's gonna reuse aspects of it, but we're gonna. You can kind of see in the garage through that hole out here. Demoed the structure there that was loosely tied into the fascia. Took out the side yard piece, it's gone. Look at this full view all the way out. It's pretty cool. Closet. Some original flooring here. Some artwork that someone did days gone by. Nothing with this room. It's pretty much stayed the same. The tile's gone again. Furnace is fully extracted. It's toast. That there's asbestos. It's a little concerning, but I don't know what his plans are for it. It might not be asbestos, but I ain't touching it. It's a master bath. That's going to get pushed over into that room. There's the master bedroom. This closet is gone. There'll be a walk-in closet right here. This closet is going to become part of the space. Not quite sure what it is we're doing or why it stopped. There's some moisture in the ground there, and I don't know if that was part of the reason why they had a tool or something, or I don't know. But this closet's going to stay the same. Actually, yeah, it's going to stay the same. This bathroom is fully intact. Yeah. Hi. So that's it. Looks great. A lot to do, but bye.